Hi, everybody. I want to share with you that I know what it's like to not have health care. When my mother brought me and my older brother to this country to start a better life, we didn't have much. We're immigrants. And we lived in a one-room boarding house where we slept sideways on one bed. I know what it's like not to have health care. Because my mother didn't have a high-paying job. She didn't have health care. And if she got sick, that was my biggest worry growing up in Hawaii as an immigrant child. My mother would get sick. If she got sick, she couldn't work, low-paying job. If she didn't work, we literally would not have enough money for rent or food. Healthcare is the most fundamental thing that any of us have. And no child should grow up worrying that their parent would get sick and pretty much the family would be devastated. But that is exactly what families are going to be facing. So you got President Trump, who could give a rep. This is a guy who I don't think he worried very much about not having health care. So first he takes away the research for childhood cancer. How cruel is that? He gets rid of research dollars for ALS. He's cut back on research on Alzheimer's, and now he's coming after you. You get tax credits for the health to help you with your healthcare coverage. And it doesn't matter what your healthcare coverage is called. It all comes from the Affordable Care Act, tax credits, which the Republicans are happily getting rid of. And you think the Republicans care? No, they expect me, the kid who grew up knowing what it's like not to have healthcare, that I and my fellow Democrats should just lie flat and have the Republicans roll over us as they take away your healthcare affordability. How do you like that? I'm going to fight it every step.